Welcome to the Department of English, Government Postgraduate College, Attock. These online classes have been started on the instructions of Punjab Higher Education Department, Govt of Punjab, Lahore. The prime purpose of these classes is to help students in continuing their studies and preparation for the final exams. By conducting these classes, the students would benefit from the teaching of their teachers in COVID-19 situation. As you know that all the educational institutions have been closed due to the spread of COVID-19. Hence, online classes are inevitable for the smooth flow of educational activities. That is why the government decided to launch online classes for the betterment of the students. In this regard, we hope and expect that you would pay full attention to these classes and would benefit from them as maximum as possible. We also hope that you would do your best to perform in the exams. For this purpose, our department too started the online classes to help you in preparing yourself for the final exams. I'm Abdul from Department of English. Uh, my job is to teach you grammar, that is the paper B portion of the paper, and we have already started the correction of sentences. This is the question of 10 marks in your final paper, in which incorrect sentences are given and you have to correct those incorrect sentences. This question is of prime importance because it can help you in securing more marks, and these marks are very much pertinent and important because exact 10 marks can be got in this question if only 5 sentences are corrected. So I will be sharing the rules and the principles that can help you in correcting the incorrect sentence, and this would not only help you in securing good marks in your graduation, but these rules would also help you in improving your English in general, because the basic purpose of these lectures is to help you in spotting out the most frequent mistakes committed in the usage of English. By knowing these mistakes, you will be able to express yourself in correct English. Hence, it is hoped and expected of you that you would pay full attention to these rules. Further, you are also advised to make notes of these lectures because these would help you later in your preparation for the final exam as well. Welcome to the test number 2. Uh, Yesterday we had the test number 1 about correction of sentences. Today uh, we are here with the second test with that would be dealing with the correction of the sentences. So in this session 2, first of all, I would share the incorrect sentences with you, and for your help, a mistake has already been highlighted. The mistake has been spotted out. What you need is to correct that sentence. The purpose of this activity is just to enable you people just to recall you that there is something problem with this word, so that you concentrate on one word instead of the whole sentence, because we would move on gradually, so that first to enable you to understand all this one, right? So the first sentence is, she has purchased a new scissor. So in this sentence, scissor has been highlighted. This is just to help you that just concentrate on scissor, that what is wrong with the scissor, and concentrate on that sentence, and then you will be able to correct this. Number two, his trousers is red. So here is has been highlighted. So just this is just to help you that there is some problem with is. That's what you need to concentrate on. Just concentrate on is, that what is wrong with it and how to correct it. Similarly, sentence number three, your clothes is dirty. In this sentence too, you can see that clothes and is have been highlighted, that there's some problem with these words. That's what you need to concentrate on. So this would help you in understanding these things. Moving further, there is sentence number four, poors face many problems. Poors face many problems. So poors has been highlighted, and this is indicating that there is some problem with poor. So you need not concentrate on the whole sentence at this stage, just to spot the mistake has been spotted out, and you need to consider that what is the problem with poors. That's what you need to correct. Similarly, the last sentence, rich should help poors. Again, in this sentence you can see that rich and poors have been highlighted. So that is helping you to know that there is some problem just with these two words. That's what you need to correct. So please stop your video here. First of all, correct these sentences. When you have corrected your sentences, then for the solution you can play this video again, so that you are able to look at the solution of these sentences. But please stop here. First of all, correct these sentences, write them on your notebook. When you have written them, then please play your video, and then you will be able to know their solution. Now we move to the solution. So correct sentences. Sentence number one, she has purchased a new scissors. So scissors is always used scissors, not scissor. His trousers are red. Trousers is always followed by the plural verb. So his trousers are red is the correct sentence. Your clothes are dirty. So your clothes are plural, so it would also be followed by the plural verb. Your clothes are dirty. Sentence number four, the poor face many problems. The poor and rich, when we need to use them as plural, we have to add s with them. We need to remove s from them, and in order to make them plural, we place definite article da before them. So that da makes poor and rich plural instead of adding s with them. So that's the correct sentence. The poor face many problems. Sentence number five, the rich should help the poor. Again, the same rule, that s is not added with them while making them plural. So in this way, the rich is the plural, not rich. Similarly, the poor is plural instead of adding s with them. So the plural of poor and rich, they are made by adding the definite article da before them. This is the right way to make plural of rich and plural. So the rich should help the poor. Similarly, rule number 67, to make plural of advice and work, pieces of is used. If we need to make the plural of advice or piece, we cannot directly make the plural like advice, advices, work, works. Rather, if we need the plural form, we have to use pieces with that one. That makes the plural form of this one. For example, the first sentence, he gave me many advices, is incorrect sentence because advices cannot be directly made plural. Rather, we have to add pieces of with that one in order to make it plural. So he gave me many pieces of advice is the correct sentence with this one, for this one, whereas he gave me many advices, incorrect structure, that we cannot directly add s or es with advice or work in order to make them plural. Similar with the next rule, she has many works to do. So S has directly been added to works, that is incorrect sentence, because we cannot use the plural form of the works or advices. Rather, we have to use the pieces before that one. That makes the correct sentences. So she has many works to do is incorrect sentence, whereas she has many pieces of work to do is the correct sentence with this word. Similarly, the last example, they did many works is incorrect because the plural has been made directly by adding s with that one, which is incorrect sentence. We cannot make, as earlier mentioned, the plural of works and p and advice with s. Rather, we have to use pieces of. That makes the plural form. So they did many works is incorrect sentence, whereas they did many pieces of work is the correct sentence with that one. That's what we need to make for this sentence as well.